What's up, oh you crazy box breaking card collected football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in a little bit late tonight. Sorry, had some technical difficulties, but nothing we couldn't handle. It's 10:04 Eastern, 9:04 Central here in Wisconsin. Just a reminder, still have the Bowman draft picks and prospects up for an hour from now, and I think there's one more spot of the playbook left for midnight Eastern tonight, and we have the rookies and stars up for Sunday night. So after the break, take a look, get your spots. Here's the gold standard roster for tonight. And here's the box. Have had pretty good luck with the gold standard so far. Hopefully we can keep it up tonight. And here's the checklist. Back there, and the empty box bottom. Alright, let's start the bottom card first. Good luck, everybody. First up, Indianapolis Colts, Reggie Wayne, base card. And this one is numbered 238 out of 299. And that one is going to Clayton. Next up, Chicago Bears, Matt Forte. And this one is going to Micah. This one's numbered 132 out of 299. For the Tampa Bay Bucks, rookie Alan Bradford. And this one's going to Justin, numbered 128 out of 299. We have a legend card for the Green Bay Packers, Forrest Gregg. And that one is also going to Justin, numbered 156 out of 299. For the Oakland Raiders, we have a rookie, Demarius Moore. Fine young receiver. This one's going to Jaime, numbered 69 out of 299. For the Denver Broncos, Terrell Davis, 50th anniversary card. This one is going to Jaime, numbered 247 out of 299. For the Oakland Raiders, Darren McFadden, Gold Rush insert. And this one is going to Jaime, numbered 277 out of 299. Alright, let's get to the hits. Up first, for the New Orleans Saints, Gold Leaf Rookies jersey patch, Mark Ingram. That's going to Robert B. Nice hit, numbered 59 out of 299. For the San Francisco 49ers, jersey patch, Patrick Willis. This one's going to Justin C. Numbered 93 out of 299. For the Washington Redskins, Leonard Hankerson, rookie on-card auto, silver Sharpie, with a very nice 3-color jersey patch with some gold stitching. This one is going to Joseph W. Very cool looking card. Again, this on-card auto with silver Sharpie, 3-color patch, numbered 282 out of 525. Nice hit, Joseph. Then for the San Diego Chargers, rookie autograph jersey patch of Vincent Brown. Very cool card. This one is going to Clayton. Nice short print, 6 out of 50. Give you one more look at that one. Very nice rookie autograph jersey patch, Vincent Brown, numbered to 50. And last up for the New York Jets, this one's going to John M. Rookie Scotty McKnight. Wide receiver, numbered 413 out of 499. Thanks again, everybody, for getting in the break. Again, if you want a little more action, you got a couple baseball and one more football up for tonight, and then a bunch for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and next Friday already. We're going to add a bunch more, so check back often, get on and get your spots. Later, guys.